everybody and welcome to my channel. Today's topic is going to be on how to identify and also remove duplicates. What we have here today is we have a client list with their invoice numbers, the amounts and the dates as well. The reason we want to remove them is we want to typically do a sequence test. When we do a sequence test, we want to make sure that there's no duplicates. The reason for there being duplicates is a client would often make use of one invoice number. On one invoice they would put more than one line item. For instance, they will put on tax, audit and accounting on one invoice, and these sections would go on the general ledger but in different accounts. So then there will be in the entire general ledger duplicates. So what we want to do here is we want to remove the duplicates. First we have to identify if there are any duplicates. So first we're gonna click on column C, then we're gonna click on conditional formatting under styles, and then we're gonna slide over to the right here and then go to the bottom, and you will see you can click on duplicate values. You will see here it's gonna highlight in red for you all the duplicates. You can change the color just like you want it, but we're gonna just choose that one now. So you will see they have highlighted all the duplicates for us. So if you want to go ahead and just keep it like this, for if you want to use this list for something else, you can just keep it like that. However, if you want to remove them, what we're going to do is we're going to highlight from A to C. The reason we're going to highlight from A to C is when you remove duplicates, the other information will not be in line anymore. So we're only going to do A, B and C because this is the only ones that we're going to need. We're only going to keep them so that we can just let the client know on what date, if there were issues with the sequencing, we're going to just ask them, give them as much information as possible to just identify these invoices that's missing. So we're only going to highlight A, B and C, and then we're going to go ahead and delete the duplicates. So then we're going to click on data. We're going to slide over here under data tools. You will see there's an option here. It's usually in the middle. Sometimes it will only have this icon, and sometimes it will actually say remove duplicates. It depends on which version of Excel you have. So then you're going to go ahead and remove the duplicates. We're going to keep all the columns here and click them so that they can still be in line when we remove the duplicates. So we're going to click OK here. You see there's 4 duplicates here, and then we're going to click OK again, and then you'll see all the duplicates have disappeared now. So you see here there's 4 open spaces, and that confirms the fact that there were 4 duplicates. So you'll see the information in A, B and C, they are still in line with one another. However, this is not in line any longer, and we can delete them for the sequence test. And that's how you remove the duplicates.